Guys, boss babe Nikki. Right there. Period. Taste test, guys, with a baker sandwich. You don't need to break the bank to look pretty. Period.
Boss babe Nikki got the boys acting silly. Boss babe Nikki, yeah, you know she like the city. Always money over niggas, all she see is figures. And she got the figure, chocolate don't need a snicker. I'm a boss, what's the cost? Swear I never take the loss. I'm a boss, what's the cost? Tell that little boy get lost. I'm a boss, what's the cost? And my skin so silky soft, yeah.
Hey guys, hey, it's your girl boss babe Nikki, and I'm back with another video. Oh yes, so guys, I'm so excited. If it's the first time you're seeing my face, welcome girl, welcome. Yeah guys, so in this video we're going to Starbucks. So when I say we, me and my girlie, guys, we have been planning to do something like this forever, and it finally come. You know, not happened before the time, because her time was, you know, different from mine, her schedule and stuff like that. But we finally did it, guys. Today is editing day, and I realized that I didn't do an intro nor an outro, so that is what I'm doing now. And enough of me rambling. If you're a return subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So guys, let's get into the video. What kind of
Boss babe Nikki got the boys acting silly. Boss babe Nikki, yeah, you know she like the city. Always money over niggas, all she see is figures. And she got the figure, chocolate don't need a snicker. I'm a boss, what's the cost? Swear I never take the loss. I'm a boss, what's the cost? Tell that little boy get lost. I'm a boss, what's the cost? And my skin so silky soft, yeah. Yes, I'm a boss, boss, yeah. I'm a boss, yeah. Boss babe Nikki got the boys acting silly. Boss babe Nikki, yeah, you know she like the city. Always money over niggas, all she see is figures. And she got the figure, chocolate don't need a snicker. I'm a boss, what's the cost? Swear I never take the loss. I'm a boss, what's the cost? Tell that little boy get lost. I'm a boss, what's the cost? And my skin so silky soft, yeah. Yes.
Thank you. How cute is our laptop? Here, girlie.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is my order, guys. Drink taste test. Okay, guys.
All she see is figures, and she got the figure, chocolate don't need a snicker. I'm a boss, what's the cost? Swear I never take a loss. I'm a boss, what's the cost? Tell that little boy get lost. I'm a boss, what's the cost? And my skin looks like a star.
I don't know if I like it. I joke. It's okay.
So guys, this is my friend Nikki, boss babe Nikki, guys.
Right there. What is too much caffeine?
Oh man.
Mm-hmm.
So, trust me, you don't want to taste Dunkin' Donuts one. That shit was
You know me like it.
and not
I like it. I like it. I like them both. Come try mine.
Oh. I would drink this like if I'm looking to sleep after like drinking this, because this is like to keep me up. Yeah. Because that's just like, oh, I'm having like last night. We could have gone to bed.
Taste test, guys, with a baker sandwich or whatever. Okay. Yeah, I like
Behind the scenes of the video.
I like it. Let me see so I can show them. Guys, I'm gonna show you. She have this beautiful book, and it smells like Oreo, and it looks like Oreo. And here it is. Trust me, guys, this is an Oreo. I'm just gonna bite it.
She's like, again? I'm like, yeah, it still has the scent, but she's like, because they made it easier. I'm like, my husband.
Yeah, it's just that, you know, a lot of these unique stuff, if people would willing to spend their money, it could be a great business to sell these stuff here.
Yeah, that's true. But
Yeah.
some persons is probably like persons who like planning on those stuff will probably get them.
True.
Because I got it to basically keep track of like
Any little thing.
yeah.
Let me show you my book. Like yesterday, and whenever I'm traveling, I use it like right now, what time we reach there, so stuff like that.
Okay.
So this is my little Andy Dandy book, and I have the red one. It was for Dominic, so his name is
Guys,
on
look
it.
at this little cute book. Like, I was not expecting her to just pull that out.
Yeah. Remember, I'm gonna open my package. You guys will see it first.
It's really hard to pull open. Like, it's secured.
It's not. Rip me out of plastic. I've been acting brand. Dun 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 dun. Ooh, cute cards from Sensolia. Senzola. Guys, we feel. Okay, a thank you card. Okay, so it says, thank you for your support, for supporting my small business, and your order made my day. I hope this package made yours. Oh, so cute. And this long episode, guys, you can read this. And oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, this shows that we are foodie. You know,
I swear.
yes.
So you can with chocolate, I can with the coffee.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, how cute is this? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna wear this with the cute little dress. Ooh. You need to get your order now. Okay, so her website will be linked in the description below. Okay, hook up my girl. Yeah, and they're so affordable, guys. You would never believe how reasonable this is. You don't need to break the bank to look pretty. Her period. Okay, so the next two stuff that I got. Okay, so it says 3. Okay, wow, guys, I got goodies. Okay, I got goodies. Okay, so it says, don't worry, be happy. Oh, this is so sweet. Thank you. And this says, do what makes you happy. And that's what I'm doing right now, making content for you guys. Good vibes, definitely. I'm all about the good vibes. Thank you, girl. I love them. You used to get the business cards to order them. Canva. Oh, so you use Canva to make them and to print them? Because you said you was gonna.
So I used the Canva to make them, and then after I made it, I just print down the file and I send it to her, and I asked her the price and it. I don't remember how much I paid for it.
Yeah. Oh, you so you send it to someone.
Yeah.
To get it print.
She gave me like 200 of them.
Oh, locally.
Yeah, down here in Jamaica. I just go to there are some places down here locally as well who do them, but I didn't find them until later on when I ordered mine.
Oh.
So she shipped it from like I think it's saying chatting or things that I remember.
Oh, and you get 200. How much you pay? 10 grand?
No, I didn't say that.
Hope you enjoy your day. You are a beautiful girl. Thank you. I am enjoying my day. Watch cause face turn about.
Like I have so much files on this. It's crazy.
Yeah. Girl, your lip just looks sumptuous right now.
Like I used the white and then I was like, let me cover it with the pale pink and then I put a dab of the red and then the lip gloss over it. But lip gloss.
I'm seeing a little bit of sparkles as well.
Yeah, the lip gloss.
Oh, nice. Somebody confessed they undying love to me here on TikTok. they said I always love you, but I don't know how to say it. When I see you, I don't even know who is this, bro. Just tell me you love me. Just tell me. Would you ever do it inside? Just tell me you love me. In its heart. The truth.
Yeah, concept. So one of
I
the
like this.
yeah. I'm waiting for it to load up. I'll show you Nezuko.
So you edit all of these?
I have over 200 just for the animes, bro.
You do them?
Yeah. Why you think me up until like 4 o'clock in the morning? I don't.
Why? Oh, meet my cousin Answang. Say hi to Answang.
Hi.
Cause Shiva was just here, but she left.
Oh, cute. This overload.
Thank you for the rose. Oh, you want to give to roses, so
Thank
them
you.
coming, cause they're sending you roses.
Such a romantic.
Yeah. This is my beautiful friend. He said hola. So what do you say back?
Lo siento.
Yeah. Boss babe Nikki got the boys.
Picture or video?
Boss babe Nikki, yeah, you know she like the city. Always money over niggas. All she see is figures. And she got the figure.
Yeah, they do fantastic. Go down hard.
I never take the loss. I'm a boss. What's the cost? Tell that little boy you lost. I'm a boss. What's the cost? And my skin so sucky soft. Yeah. Yes. I'm a boss.
I'm here.
Boss, boss. Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
So what's the name of YouTube? Your YouTube. Alicia, what's the name of your YouTube?
I don't have a YouTube.
She's too busy.
I thought because she said thank you for watching, so I thought,
No, because I do TikTok.
oh, you did TikTok.
Yeah. So I do my TikTok. Yeah, no problem. Oh,
Go
privately?
to her, yes. So guys, I did enjoy myself here. Oh my gosh. And I enjoyed my time with Felicia, and my cousin was also here as well. But she's not here anymore. But come with us. Come with us. He just love her.
Oh, you were on video. I thought it was a photo.
You should have hooked you up.
So,
Hey.
They are.
See that?
guys, boss babe Nikki.
Right there. Period.
Yeah, you got the YouTube.
Oh, it's a video.
Oh my gosh, we're so beautiful.
Rain is falling again.
Yes, sadly. Love her. No, the traffic, guys. Hey guys, so we have reached to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because I enjoyed making it for you guys, especially editing. So thanks for watching to the end, and I'll see you in my next video or my next live stream. Love you guys. Bye.
What's the cost? And my skin so sucky soft, yeah.